Lamborghini India has introduced the new Urus Pearl Capsule Edition, bringing sportier colors, finishing and interior to the performance SUV. The Pearl Capsule Edition is a pre-configured package that adds cosmetic upgrades to the Urus right from the factory. There are 3 new colors available: yellow, lime green and orange. Adding to the dual-tone paint scheme is the gloss black finish that extends to the bumpers, ORVMs, body skirts, wheel cladding and the roof. Even the quad exhaust strips get a darker matte finish over the standard version. The other big update are the larger 23-inch high-gloss alloy wheels, upsizing from the 21-inch wheels seen on the standard version. On the inside, the Lamborghini Urus Pearl Capsule Edition gets dual-tone Alcantara leather seats with optional contrast stitching. The Urus name has now been embroidered on the backrest, and there are new carbon fiber inserts on the door panels as well as black anodized trims across the cabin. With only aesthetic upgrades, the Urus Pearl Capsule Edition continues to draw power from the same 4.4-litre turbocharged V8 engine that packs 641 brake horsepower and 850 Nm of peak torque. The Urus Pearl Capsule Edition is available at a 20% markup over the standard version that retails at 3 crores and 15 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Audi is all set to begin its electric onslaught in India, and the company will bring 2 electric SUVs in the next couple of weeks. The German auto giant has dropped the first teaser for the e-tron electric SUV for India and will be joined by the e-tron Sportback as well. Both models are scheduled to arrive by mid-2021. Both the e-tron and the e-tron Sportback share the same underpinnings. The electric SUVs use dual electric motors that develop 265 kW or 355 brake horsepower and 561 Nm of peak torque. In the boost mode, power output goes up to 300 kW or 408 brake horsepower. The e-tron can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.6 seconds, while the top speed is rated at 200 km per hour. The cars use a 95 kWh battery pack with a range of about 452 km on a single charge. The models will come to India as completely built unit with prices in the vicinity of 1 to 1.5 crores ex-showroom. TVS Motor Company has launched the 2021 TVS Apache RTR 164V, available in 2 variants, drum brake and disc brake. The drum brake variant is now priced at 1,07,000 rupees, while the disc brake variant is priced at 1,10,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The Apache 164V is now more expensive by about 3,000 rupees over the 2020 model, but has also received several upgrades. The motorcycle has lost 2 kg over the older model, while the 160cc single-cylinder engine has received a power increment of 1.5 brake horsepower and 0.6 Nm of peak torque. With the power increase, the TVS Apache RTR 164V now packs 17.4 brake horsepower and 14.73 Nm of peak torque. It is now the most powerful motorcycle in its class. The bike competes against a number of rivals in the segment, including the Hero Xtreme 160R, Suzuki Gixxer 155, Bajaj Pulsar NS 160 and the likes.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.